Let's see how to fix if your Apple Pencil Pro haven't worked with your iPad. So the very first thing you need to know is you just swipe down and turn on the Bluetooth connection. This is very must. And second, you just open settings app and click the search and type keychain. Make sure you turn down this keychain option. The next thing is you need to make sure your Apple Pencil have enough battery. So you can see the flat surface, you just place like this, then you can see the Apple Pencil battery percentage. So it's 75. If the battery was low, like 1%, 2%, you just charge your Apple Pencil like this. Then still it didn't work. You just need to restart your iPad first. So press and release volume up button and down button and hold the touch ID until you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, release the finger. After that, try to connect, then definitely it will work. Then finally, if still it didn't work, you just head to settings app and scroll down and open general, then scroll down to the very bottom and this option transfer or reset iPad. Open that and reset, and you need to click this option reset all settings. You just need to confirm that. Here also you can see no data or media will be deleted. So this will not delete your login credentials or photos, videos, nothing. It's just reset the internal settings. So after you reset it, try to connect like this, then definitely it will work, and make sure you turn on the Bluetooth. So this is how it works, and if you want to know more videos about Apple Pencil Pro, you need to watch this playlist.